Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. As you can see, I am clearing out my cabinets because it was much needed, and I hope it will motivate you to maybe clean out your cabinets also. Yeah, I just wanted to do this with you guys, and I hope you like my video. First, I'm going to take everything out of the cabinets, and then I am giving it a very good clean because it really needs it. What I quickly wanted to mention is that I am having a sore throat right now, and I'm not going to talk too enthusiastic or way too loud because that's not great for my throat right now. So thank you for understanding. Look at how messy this part is. It's just so dirty with all the breadcrumbs from the toaster. I'm making sure I get every little corner of this cabinet so I don't have to clean it out again in a while. And now they're all clean and they smell nice, not like breadcrumbs anymore. And this is everything that came out of my cabinet. It's just so much stuff, and I'm just gonna get rid of some of them and then give it to Goodwill. And honestly, who on earth needs this many freaking toasters? I am picking one that I really like, and the rest I will give to Goodwill. Moving on to our Tupperware, I'm not actually getting rid of any of them because we use them every day for when we have leftovers or when we are going to work. And it's better than using plastic bags the whole time. And then I'm going to put them back into my big basket. Most of our Tupperware are actually a bit discolored, and that's because we put those into the dishwasher. And I don't know why, but they came out like this, and they're looking like dirty, but they're not. They're just clean, but a bit discolored. Now it's time to put everything back in place, and I am using the Krejik, the Krejik, I don't know, a shoe rack from Ikea, and my cabinets are quite high and I don't really have high things to put in, so this shoe rack is actually giving me another surface to put things on. So that was a small Ikea hack from me to you. And that was it for my cabinets. Now it's nice and organized, and let's hope it will stay this way. But I'm not done yet because I still need to show you my spice drawer because I didn't show you it last time. It's still a mess, as you can see, so let's handle that quickly. Cleaning it hardcore, as you can see, like going over it 3,000 times. Don't mind me sitting in my pajamas, by the way. This was everything that came out of my drawer, and it's time to organize again. Some things were expired, so I am checking everything for the date, and then I am throwing it away or I'm putting it back into my drawer. Now let's put everything back into the drawer. And that was my organized spice drawer that I promised you guys in the last video. And thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one.